Welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to talk about AI and sources because, as you may know, it's important when you write an article, for example a blog article, that you make some citations of sources, and usually AI is not so great in this. But month after month some of the tools try to find sources and insert sources references. And I want to show you some different tools starting from ChatGPT, then I will show you YouChat, I will show you Jasper Chat, and I will show you Katteb. All these tools can in some way find sources, but maybe not all of them are good in finding sources, and maybe they work slightly different. Let's start from ChatGPT. In order to search on the web with ChatGPT, you need a Chrome extension. It's called Web ChatGPT, and when you install it in Chrome, you can find now this little tool here in ChatGPT. You can decide something, for example, how many results you want your chat to go and search in Google. This simply goes on the Google SERP based on what you ask and takes the first results and takes informations from there. You can choose any time, the past day, past week, past month, depending on the need, because maybe you want to write a news article, so you need fresh content. You can search for past day, for example. In this case, I want to try with something like that. It's not a fresh content, it's some kind of evergreen content, and I want to see how these tools work with this kind of topic, how to save money each month. You can even choose your region if you want to search for something particular, and you can define the default prompt, new prompt, and so on. Here you have some other settings. As you can see, you can define a prompt. So this is the default prompt and it's what is using. Anything you write here, for example, how to save money each month, in this case, it's the same as writing all these things, web search results, here is the web results, the query, the date, and so on. So in order to use it, I need to click on this and activate it and click enter. Now ChatGPT will extract the first three results from the web in this case and start to write using the information that it finds in the SERP. So these are the first three results. This is the number one site, clevergirlfinance.com, savingandsimplicity.com, and wikihow.com. I was watching because I'm in Italy, as you may know, and in Italy the SERP is slightly different. If I search for this on Google, I see different sites, unbiased.co.uk, n26.com, and careercontessa.com. So I don't know what is the criteria for this extension to find these results, where it's searching exactly. Anyway, these are the sources it's using. So it's saying some ways to save money each month as cited from multiple sources. Reduce your mortgage payment, downsize your living space, and so on. You can stop the video and read it by yourself, and obviously is extracting these data from these sources. So maybe you want to write something about this and you can make your sources citations. And this is how ChatGPT does this. It's the best, I don't know. Now we will try with other tools and we will see the differences. This video is not to say what is the best, it's just to show you the differences. So let's try the same query in Chat. YouChat is a free chat tool inside you.com. You.com is a search engine. The last time I tried this, it was not really useful or reliable, at least about fresh content, but let's try with this. Let's see what YouChat comes with. As you can see, one of the best ways to save money each month is to create and follow a budget, make sure to account for all of your expenses, and so on. Again, you can stop the video and read it. Let's see the sources. In this case, N26, Nerd the Wallet, and Experian.com. These are the sources it's using. If I use the same search here in the normal search engine, let's see if these are the first results or not. Okay, as you can see, Nerd the Wallet, Clever Girl Finance, and WikiHow. So it seems that YouChat is in some way searching in the first SERP results. I don't see N26 here. Anyway, this is how you.com find sources. Now let's go to Jasper Chat. Now you may know that even Jasper Chat added a way to search on the web here by activating this flag. There is no options, no settings, you just need to activate these and when you search for something or write something, it will write, obviously, and it will find sources. Let's try with just this sentence, the same as the other two options, and let's see how Jasper Chat works. Obviously, I may write something like write an introduction about, write an outline about, and so on. I'm just inserting a query, how to save money each month in this case. As you can see, saving money each month can be a challenge, but it's possible with the right strategies. Here are 8 simple ways to save money every month. It's quite similar to ChatGPT. In this case, I have a list of things. Here, the introduction is slightly better. Record your expenses and create a budget. Even here, it's more detailed in this specific case, if you compare it with ChatGPT. And then you have sources. I see this one. This is obviously an error. As you can see, it's just www. And here I have my sources. Better Money Habits, .bankofamerica.com and nerdwallet.com. Again, let me see here, I don't remember. These are slightly different. Clever Girl Finance. This one was found also by YouChat. Saving and Simplicity. This one, it's only here in ChatGPT. WikiHow, this one was found even in YouChat. And here we have only these two. The first is Better Money Habits. It's for sure an authoritative site, Bank of America, so it's for sure a good source. Nerd Wallet. Let me try again. I want to see if I get 3 different sources. I need to activate it again. Let me try again. Okay, even this time this is not correct because it's missing .com, Ramsey Solutions. It's strange. Usually you have 3 different sources. Let's try another time. Write a list of suggestions about how to save money each month. I just want to see if it's a temporary issue here, but sometimes it happens. Anyway, the sources, I forgot to activate these. Sorry, I will do it again one more time. The last time. Okay, let's do like this. I was saying sometimes it happens. Usually it gives you 3 different sources, and usually they are pretty on point. Again, I think it's a bug in this case in Jasper Chat. Anyway, as you can see, it's finding valuable sources because these are this one for sure, it's an authoritative site. Now, let's try with Katteb. Maybe you don't know Katteb, I did some videos some weeks ago. Katteb is focused on writing fact-checked content, and it was on AppSumo. I just see that it's now unavailable. This deal is over, and I'm really sorry if you didn't take action on Katab, because in my opinion it's a good tool and it's getting better and better. Anyway, if you want, you can try Katab. Click on the link you find in the description, but you can click on the link even for Jasper, obviously. With Katab you can try it for free, and if you like it, they have a pretty good pricing plan, because as you can see, you have these unlimited words for just $25 monthly, and if you choose the yearly plan, you really pay a little amount of money, because for unlimited words I think it's one of the cheapest out there, and it's not bad at all. Katab has this. Katab Plus is a template that writes fact-checked content. If I go here, as you can see, you can choose some options and insert your brief description here. Then you have this credible writer. This is interesting because you can add your source. If you want to take your content, grab your content from another specific source, you can insert it here. But these two templates, as of today, don't give you the sources, but they added sources in the full article, and this is really interesting, because here is where you can generate an entire article just by clicking one time. And here, for example, it even has some kind of autocomplete. How to, and as you can see, like it happens in Google, you can have a list of auto-completed keyword, how to save money. And now I will have some suggestion each month. This is our keyword. I want to write in English and I want an article for United States. Now I click on generate full article and I'll wait until the outline get generated. Okay, here is where you define your outline. You can choose between these H2s. You can even change them or regenerate them. You can add H3 tags, for example, by clicking here. I can add some H3s. You have a maximum of 15, so if you choose many H3s, you need to get rid of some of these H2s. Just to show you how it works, I will just select some of these, so it's faster to generate the article. Let's say I want to choose these two H3s, then you can choose the tone of voice, the point of view, the type of content, and then generate article. Now I will accelerate this video and I will show you how it works finding sources. Okay, my article is ready. Obviously, you always need to edit something because it's not perfect at all. Anyway, as you can see, you have an article, more than 1,000 words, but because I just selected some of the H2s, if you select them all, you can reach up to more than 2,000 or even 3,000 words in just one click. And then here you have these references. This is interesting because, as you can see, you have 32 references. Everything this article is writing gets data from all these sources. So you can know and maybe insert your citations of these sources along your article. In this case, again, n26.com, bettermoneyhabits.bankofamerica.com. This is the one even Jasper was finding. careercontessa.com, unbiased.co.uk. This was my first SERP result. nerdwallet.com, and many more. If you compare all these tools from this point of view, the sources citation point of view, as of today, Katab is the best in my opinion, because you write an entire article in just one click. Maybe you need to edit something because you want to make it yours, personalize it, but you know that all the data are taken from these sources. You can know exactly where the data come from, and you can insert citations in your article, citations, or anyway external links. From an SEO point of view, they are always really useful. Stop! This is so funny because I already finished this video and I watched the Katab Facebook group. I found a really interesting update. Even if today it's Sunday when I'm recording this video, Katab is not sleeping. As I said before, they are always making this tool better. And they implemented this new thing here, the power-ups, as you can see. If I open this section, you now have some plugins. This was already available. Now there is this new file export, so you can export your articles to PDF, docs, or plain text. And now there is also this plagiarism checker. So, in this example, if you are worried that some parts of this article can be maybe plagiarized from some of these sources, you can run the plagiarism checker. It's limited up to 10 scans per day at the moment. Anyway, in this case, you just need to click on this little button here, plagiarism, and Katab starts to analyze section by section, sentence by sentence, all the content, searching for any kind of plagiarism. If it finds something, you can watch for the source and maybe change your text. Anyway, it's not super fast, this plagiarism checker. I think it's good because it means it's really scanning for finding anything. Anyway, I will accelerate the video. Scan is complete, and as you can see, this article is 98% unique, 2% duplicated. I'm happy that it found this 2%, so I can show you how it works. Wherever you have something duplicated from one of these sources, you can go here and see exactly from where it comes, in this case from simplyinstals.com. So this is proof that data are taken from the sources, these references, and as you can see, 2% duplicated is totally acceptable. There is no problem, and you can always slightly change or get rid of this line if you want, and your article will be 100% unique. Okay, so now you see how these tools work. Obviously, here in ChatGPT, you can also ask for up to 10 results in your sources. Maybe you have different results, obviously. In Jasper Chat, you can't have any settings, so usually you have 3 different sources. Even YouChat.com usually gives you 3 sources, and Katteb, as you can see, in this case, gave me 32 sources. ChatGPT is free. As you perfectly know, maybe the paid version will bring something better, something different. YouChat is free, you can go to you.com and use it. Jasper, as you may know, you have this boss mode plan, they got rid of the starter plan, now you only have the boss mode starting from $59 monthly for 50k words every month. If you pay annually, you pay slightly less. You can find my link in the description. You can start and try it with 10,000 words for free. I have to say that Jasper is always good. Now, I just showed you this, but Jasper Chat is very good in being more creative. If compared with ChatGPT, usually the text you get here in the chat especially is way better than the one in ChatGPT, even if it's not so detailed sometimes, and even if ChatGPT is more advanced from a conversational point of view. But I think even Jasper will get there, and Jasper Chat is free at the moment inside Jasper. So click on the link and try it if you want. And Katab is really good. Again, I'm sorry if you lost the AppSumo lifetime deal, but you can choose this unlimited plan if you don't want limits. Even these ones are good, but if you just watch the prices, with $20 monthly you have 100,000 words, and just for $5 more you have unlimited. And if you pay yearly, even better. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. As always, if so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel so you will not lose my next videos. If you want to watch my complete Katab review, I will leave you here the link. Thank you very much and see you soon in the next one.